tree.
Why don't they just fight him now?
Are you crazy? There's no way. With a nine go tanks.
Yeah, yum yum.
Counted anything like this guy.
Yeah.
Well, you like coming to Brandy's house, don't you, Rambo? What? What?
Trunks and Goten have got to break through.
Oh, Rambo, get off that.
This is our last chance. Go while he's still looking the other way.
Where are you going, Rambo?
I want to look around.
While you're gobbling up the corn. Oh, you're in the Amber's Love Hut. Don't poop in there, Rambo.
Let go! I demand that you let go of me right now!
Gigi, would you stop that?
More food, he says.
Please, don't go.
No!
Hey, that's your broom.
Come on! Let go!
He's got a whole corn cob in the bottom of his cage at the moment.
Gigi, are you okay?
No, I'm not! I don't want my son fighting that monster!
You watch when he eats the apple, he leaves the core, skin.
Look at him. Disgusting. Makes my skin crawl. Do you like the kiwi fruit, Rambo? He likes the corn the best.
Snap out of it. It's time to get up. Come on, Goten, wake up.
Yeah, I love my chicken.
Corn and apple he loves.
Like your dad, kid. Goten, wake up.
Banana. He likes it, but, you know, passion fruit is very funny when he eats that. Oh, he loves honey and toast. Absolutely loves it.
He would.
Mate, honey on toast. He likes breakfast time because he comes out and gets, because I just have 2 slices of toast because I have to for my diabetes, and he comes out of his cage to get some of my toast. And I have 1 bedroom, 1 honey every morning because the honey's high in sugar, so it put my sugars up a bit in the morning.